Hello everyone, this is Santesh Kalada from Transcript Labs. Today in this video, let me quickly teach you how you can build a free YouTube transcript extractor in just 10 minutes. Before I start the tutorial, let me quickly show you how will your output look like. Here is a video that's almost 30 minutes from a random YouTube creator. So I did run the extraction for this. So you can see the channel name, the YouTube link, the duration is 13.5 minutes. And if you go here, you can see the entire process, entire transcript is here, and this transcription was done in just under 5 seconds. So yeah, that is what we will be building today. See, first of all, see what is the main problem that you are facing. Getting one transcript is easy. Getting hundreds in a full day, that is tough, because if it is getting one transcript, you can even just copy the video link, use some free tools from Google, just search in Google for transcripts and you can easily get it. But if you have 100 videos and you need to get the summary or you need to extract details from it, those methods won't work. So how will this particular automation work? So you can paste 50 or 500 videos in it and you'll get clean punctuated text along with full metadata, and it works with any language. So what are some applications? You can summarize a whole channel. I personally used to sell digital AI clones to different YouTube creators. So what I do is I take all their videos, I teach AI along with using the transcript of those videos. Then I create a digital clone of that person. So basically mainly I did this for course creators. So for course creators, they actually sell it as a subscription to their audience. So their audience get the feeling, their audience can talk to this creator's AI and get all their questions answered. So all this AI will be trained using the transcripts of their YouTube video. So you can even use this to turn videos into blog posts, and you can do this for competitive research at scale. And yeah, again, that's basically few applications of this. And next, how much would this cost? This would cost you 0.004 per transcript. Okay, 0.004. That's how cheap it is. Okay, so let me quickly show you how it works. So I have built this automation in N8N. So I'm using a self-hosted version of N8N. You can always use a self-hosted version of N8N, or you can just buy the subscription from N8N. If you just go for N8, search for N8N in Google, you will see this. This is the N8N's website. See, N8N is currently the best tool in the world for building automations. There is absolutely no competitor that comes close to it. So if you go to the pricing section, they do have a plan that starts from starter plan. In fact, I'll give you a link in the description of this video. So if you sign up using that link, you'll get some discounts as well. It's a cloud version of N8N. It's hardly 20 euros per month. And see, using this 20 euros per month, you can build a lot, tons and tons of automations. Otherwise, you can just self-host N8N in your server. So if you're looking to self-host N8N in your server, I have given the link to that in my description as well. So that is basically about N8N. So I am assuming that you already have an N8N instance. And if you already have the N8N instance, see, first of all, this template is available for free inside my school community. So you can just download it. Go to N8N and see, just click on create new workflow. Then here you can just go, then import from file and import the JSON file. Otherwise, in this video, I'll actually show you creating this video step by step. So first node would be, see, something like this, a manual trigger. We need a trigger. In fact, see how this works, like every single step and what you need to do, everything I have added it as sticky notes. All you have to do is, if you just zoom in, you can actually see here what are the things that are shown in this sticky notes. So how to create, see, for this transcription and everything, we are using this site called Apify. So we are using Apify for getting the transcripts. So as you can see, this is the actor that we are using. I have personally created this actor myself. So it's very cheap. You can compare it. If you want, you can compare it with other actors as well. This is the cheapest in Apify. Let me quickly show you this actor. And let me quickly explain to you about what exactly is this site called Apify. We'll just go here, Apify. See, this is how Apify website looks like. Apify website, it's kind of like a central marketplace for different scrappers. Here in this website, instead of scrappers, they might call it as actors. So you have a TikTok scrapper, then Google Maps scrapper. So as you can see in this website, you have a TikTok scrapper, you have a Google Maps scraper. So all these are actors. So you can just sign up for a free account here. In fact, I have given a link in the description of this video. So if you sign up using that, you'll actually get $5 in free credits. And that should be more than, I think with $5, you can scrap thousands and thousands of videos. So just sign up for an account, and after that, you can just go to Apify, log into Apify and get their API token. Go to settings, APIs and integrations, and you have the token here. Just copy that here. After that, see, in the URL, you need to put the same URL, or you can just take a screenshot of this and ask ChatGPT to extract it for you. Then we have the here, click on general credential type and authentication type, select bearer authentication. And in my case, I have already added the token. In your case, you can just click on create new token and paste the token which we got. So, and as for the here, click on send body, and body content type should be JSON. Specific body is specify body, it should be using JSON, and I'll just open it. Okay. Again, this part also you can just copy this. You can just take a screenshot of this and ask ChatGPT to extract the text. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, any tool you want. That is about that's actually about the getting transcription. In fact, I forgot to mention about this one, this config node. So that's basically a set node. This is the node. In fact, if you want to extract transcripts and all, like you just need to give the transcript here in the video URL. Okay, so I have just given one video URL. If you have more URL, just add a comma and add the next URL. That's how you make this work. And see, the applications for this particular automations are immense. Like you can use this to convert many YouTube videos into blog posts, maybe into short form content. For everything you can use this. It's a matter of, as you can see, till the extraction of transcript we have done. After that, you just need to add, see, if you want to maybe convert it into a blog post, just add an OpenAI node or any AI node and ask it to convert the transcript into text. Okay. So we have talked about config node, and we have talked about this HTTP node. This is actually an HTTP node, this get transcript. So see here, it's an HTTP request. That is the node here. And now we have conditional node. Okay, so that is, again, just search for if. So as you can see, this is the condition. Basically, we are checking if we have the data. See, in fact, I'll just show you with one of my executions so that it will actually have the data. See, it's basically checking if the previous node has returned a transcript. Okay, if that is true, then we'll move to the next one. That is what we have done here, if node. Then again, we have a set node. So by now you already know how to add a set node. So we have the set node here, and yeah, everything I have set it up here. So if you want, you can just set it up exactly like this. Just take screenshots, or else I told you this is available in my school community. You can get it. You can just download it from my school community and make modifications. Otherwise, this is basically how it looks. You can just take screenshots of this and add the relevant fields accordingly. Basically, these are fields that would be there in your Google Sheet. And after that, it's just a matter of appending to Google Sheet. So we have, I'll just search for Sheet. Then in Google Sheet, we have an option for append a row in Google Sheet. And here, if you do not have Google Sheet connected, I have actually given a link in the description of this video, which shows you how to connect your Google Sheet to N8N. And if you're using the paid version of N8N or the cloud version of N8N, you just have a button like this. You don't need a client ID. You don't need a client secret. You just have a sign in with Google. That's one of the biggest advantages of using the cloud version of N8N. You just click on sign in with Google and you will get all that. It will get automatically connected. So yeah, that is basically about it. Then just we have the run total node. That is actually not completely necessary. But yeah, if you want, you can just add it. Basically, it will give you a summary, like how much words, what's the average duration, those kind of things. In my case, it was just one video, so there is no need of this. Again, it's like completely optional. It's not fully necessary. And again, this is just to give you an idea about how to extract YouTube transcripts. And again, as I told you, you can do tons and tons of customizations. If you actually want me to do the customizations for you, you can always hire me using this link, Taskify Labs, or the link to hire me is also given in the description of this video. So please do check that as well. And another thing to notice, please note that you need to have a Google Sheet with exactly these column names. Okay, these are the column names. title, channel, video URL, duration, views, language, auto-generated, then word count, tags, description, transcript. Exactly like this. In fact, I'll give a link to a Google Sheet also in the description of this video, which you can actually just duplicate it. Okay. And again, as I told you, every single thing you need is given here. Okay. As sticky notes. So you'll have all the details that you need here. Okay. And as for the Google Sheets, once you have connected the Google Sheet, we just need to add the Google Sheets ID. So this ID is basically, see, I'll just copy the URL of my Google Sheet and I'll show you how to get the ID. See, this is how my Google Sheets URL would look like. So this particular part, this would be the ID. So that is whatever comes after this D. This is the ID. So all I have to do is just paste it here in the ID field and it will be done. So yeah, this is basically how you extract the transcript from any YouTube video. And as I told you, it's not just limited to one video. You can extract maybe thousands of videos also in one single go. I hope all of you like this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section below. Once again, thank you for watching this video and have a great day. Bye.